And of course, in today's edition of Polnomics, we take a look at the Western Indian state of Gujarat. The state sends 26 MPs to the lower house of India's parliament, the Lok Sabha, and assumes additional significance as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's home state. Take a look at this next report to understand the economic landscape of Gujarat.
Where people are known for their excellent business acumen. The state, which is also known for its diverse topography and ecosystems. At over 1900 kilometers, it holds the longest coastline in India. These geographical and demographic advantages turned Gujarat into a business hub. For over 2 decades, Gujarat has been grabbing headlines for mega investments. Be it the Tata Nano factory in Sanand or the proposed chip factories in Dholera. The state government's Vibrant Gujarat Summit has set the trend for big announcements. MOUs worth billions of dollars have been signed since 2003, putting Gujarat in the global investment map. A number of factors have helped the state attract foreign investments. Its strategic location, thanks to natural harbours, make it a logistics hub for Asian and African markets. Gujarat's ports are well connected via road, railways and airports, giving its infrastructure an edge over others. Given the state's enterprising culture, the state government has always had a pro-business outlook. Moreover, the state has been politically stable, which ensures there are no policy disruptions. Given the advantages, it must not come as a surprise that Gujarat is among the richest states in India. It has grown by over 12% for the last 10 years, which is way higher than India's growth rate. Its economy, which has expanded by 1500% in 20 years, contributes over 8% to the country's GDP. A rising pharma and auto hub, Gujarat accounts for 18% of industrial output and 33% of exports. The state has set its eye on the $1 trillion economy target. With vast potential for growth, Gujarat is expected to reach the target in the next decade. Its economic boom could also accelerate India's journey towards becoming an economic superpower. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.